Bye, Jenday. I love you. I love you. I'm going to work now. Los quiero mucho. Come over here. I love you guys. I have to go to work now. Los amo. Corazón. Cielo. Pica, pica, pica perico. Pica, pica, pica perico. Pica, pica, pica perico. Hey. Hello. High five. High five. Hello. 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 Good job. High five. High five. Good job. High five. High five. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good job. I love you. Kissy kissy. Chappies chappies. I love you too. You're my baby. You're my princess. Cielo, come over here. Let's check out Cielo before I go to work. Make sure he's all healthy. Step up. Come on. Come on, Cielo. Step up. Step up. Come on. Step up, Cielo. There's Cielo. Ay, mi Cielo tan hermoso. Look how beautiful he is. He's so tiny. He's a tiny bird with a big personality, and his name is Cielo. So Cielo means sky in Spanish, and I named him Cielo because he's light blue, like the sky. Okay, go back. Go back. Go back to your... Good job. Okay, now look it up. Come on, Kobe. You have to go down. Okay, I love you guys. I'm heading to work. Be good because I'm recording you and I'll be able to know what you guys were doing while I was gone. Los amo, los amo, los amo. Te quiero.